Introducing the 2025 Volkswagen Vw Tayron R-Line 75 1.5 Phev DSG with 204 horsepower, only 16,200 kilometers, and a sleek grey exterior. This luxurious estate Jeep boasts top-of-the-line features including ambient lighting, Bluetooth phone connectivity, satellite navigation and collision avoidance braking. With ABS, multiple airbags, lane departure warning and more, your safety is our priority. Not to mention the chrome package, glass roof and privacy glass for added style and security. Rest assured, this vehicle has undergone a full multi-point health and safety check, is serviced to manufacturer specification and comes with a comprehensive warranty. Ready to drive home today? Call us or visit mullingarautos.ie for more information. Upgrade your ride with the 2025 Volkswagen Vw Tayron R-Line.